All right, welcome to The Explainer. We're going to cut right to the chase today and tackle the one question everybody seems to be asking. How do you actually make money with AI?
Okay, let's just start with this number because it's kind of staggering. We're talking about a global AI market that's projected to blow past 3.4 times trillion dollars by 2033. And listen, that's trillion with a T. This isn't just some new trend, it's a full-on tidal wave, changing, well, pretty much everything.
And look, this isn't just for the big tech giants or some massive corporation. Nope. What's so exciting is that this huge shift is opening up all these new doors for people just like you and me. It doesn't matter if you're a writer, an artist, an analyst, an entrepreneur, there's a piece of this pie for you. So to help you figure this all out, we've put together a kind of Pathfinder's guide. We'll look at the AI gold rush, break it down into two main paths for making money, services and products, and then we'll wrap up with a system for success.
All right, Section 1, the AI gold rush. First things first, let's really get a sense of the scale here. Understanding just how big this opportunity is, well, it changes how you think about what's possible.
In this chart, this really paints the picture. See, AI isn't just one single thing. It's the engine that's powering huge growth everywhere else. I mean, look at e-learning, look at chatbots. These are massive markets on their own, and AI is just pouring gasoline on the fire. Every single one of those bars is an opportunity. Okay, Section 2. Now, I get it. Seeing all those numbers and options can be a little overwhelming, right? So to make it super simple, we've boiled it all down to two main paths. Just two starting points for you to choose from. So here they are. You've got two main choices. On one hand, you can offer AI-powered services. This is all about taking skills you already have and just making them way faster and more valuable with AI. Think working smarter. On the other hand, you can build AI-powered products. This is about creating things you can sell over and over again, kind of like building a money-making machine.
Okay, so let's dig into that first path, AI-powered services. Honestly, this is probably the fastest way to start making money. It's perfect if you're thinking about freelancing, consulting, or even just wanting to add a killer skill to your resume. And companies are desperate for this stuff right now. Seriously, they are paying top dollar for people who can use AI to whip up amazing marketing content, build out automated systems, manage their social media. Even something as simple as being a great prompt engineer is a super valuable skill. And hey, if you want to go all in and make this a full-time career, the potential is huge. Just look at these average salaries from Coursera. We're talking six figures for roles like AI product manager or machine learning engineer. The money is definitely there for people who specialize. All right, let's talk about Path 2, AI-powered products. Now, this is where things get really exciting because we're talking about serious scale. We're talking about building an engine for passive income, making something once and selling it 1,000 times. And the coolest part? AI has completely demolished the barrier to entry. Think about it. You don't need to be a professional artist to create amazing designs anymore. You don't have to be a hardcore coder to build a simple app. AI can be your creative partner, your co-founder, your developer, all rolled into one. So let's take a print-on-demand store. This is a classic example. You could spend your morning creating totally unique art with an AI tool, use another AI to write killer product descriptions in the afternoon, and have a global t-shirt or poster shop up and running by dinner. And the best part? You never have to see or touch a single piece of inventory. It's wild. Okay, Section 5. So you've got an idea. Maybe it's a service, maybe it's a product. Awesome. But now for the million-dollar question. How do you actually get paid? How do you turn that cool idea into cold, hard cash? Well, it all boils down to one thing, AI monetization. And don't let the fancy term fool you. It's a really simple idea. It just means you're using AI to create something, whether it's an automated process, a cool design, whatever, that someone else finds valuable enough to pull out their wallet and pay for. That's it. So that leads us right to the next logical question, probably the most important one. How do you actually get paid? What's the model? How do you charge for this stuff? Turns out there are really three main ways people are doing this. First, you've got usage-based, pay as you go. Think paying for every image you generate. Then there's the classic subscription model, like a basic or pro plan for a tool or service. And then, for really high-value stuff, there's outcome-based, where a client pays you for a specific result, like a 10% increase in sales. And this quote really nails it. AI on its own doesn't make you any money. It's just a tool. It's the system that makes money.
You need the AI, sure, but you also need traffic, an audience. And you need one of those monetization models we just talked about. The whole shebang. So, at the end of the day, the path to success really looks like this. Start with a real problem that people have, then figure out how AI can help solve that problem, and then, this is the most important part, build a simple system around that solution. That's it. Don't overcomplicate it. Which brings us right back to the beginning. The opportunity is absolutely massive. The tools are here, and they're getting easier to use every single day. So think of it this way. AI is the engine, but you are the driver. The only real question left is, what are you going to build first?